Hello, myself Ramachandran. This is the next part of the language part. So here basically we had taken the example of France basically. 55 buildings basically are there. According to the human needs basically, assume basically that there is 150 human needs basically which France group has created and they basically launched into the Mumbai. Around 50 lakh people basically are consuming France data. Means France human needs, that is the 151 data basically. So that is basically consumed basically, right? It can be dal, it can be rice, it can be vegetable, it can be chocolates, it can be Cadbury's basically, it can be ice creams also. So any products basically can be basically. But they are the product basically. But you have to maintain that data basically. Otherwise basically it will create some disease basically. That basically is the 55 buildings basically, and that gets enhanced basically. That get enhanced means it gets added basically. Few more buildings basically gets 20 buildings, then it connects to 50, from 55 basically it's become to 75. So like this basically data basically gets enhanced basically. So one of the person told that France data is like this basically, which is basically handled by the Maharashtrian government basically. But mostly basically people, businessmen group basically, they basically connects. They are basically mostly connected with the France businessmen basically. But government to government basically connections are there. Businessman to businessman connection basically are there. And Bollywood groups are always there because they have to display basically everything. That this way basically things are going to be displayed. So they are little bit more advanced basically because they have to display na, basically in front of public basically, because their task is like this basically. What we can do, whatever thing basically it's a negative positive basically they have to display basically. They basically earn 50,000 60,000 crore basically from the, just from the AI basically. So it's a huge income basically. 50,000 60,000 dollar basically or rupees basically, that I am not 100% sure basically. That mostly basically according to the current country basically ruling in Mumbai basically, according to that basically happens. But daily basically this country basically name gets changed basically. So you can just imagine basically how the things are basically connected. Say next video.